Hello beautiful dreamers and happy new year. 2026 is off to an amazing start so far. If y'all don't know, I finally released my Microloc guide. I know y'all. Thank y'all so much for being so patient with me. I saw all the messages and all the comments about how y'all wanted the guide and it is finally here. I'm so grateful for y'all's support and y'all's patience. I pour my heart and soul into it and I work so hard on it. So I hope y'all enjoy it and keep letting me know on my comments, on messages, on other social medias what y'all want to see on this channel in 2026 because I'll be bringing y'all so much more. Also, we hit over 9,000 subscribers, y'all. Thank y'all so much. I am so grateful that over 9,000 of y'all love this channel. Y'all like the videos, y'all are sharing, y'all are commenting down below. Thank y'all so much. I'm so grateful for this community that we've created, all the dreamers. It's so amazing. Thank y'all so much. And in honor of New Year and hitting over 9,000 subscribers, I want to give 5 lucky dreamers a free copy of my Microloc guide. And all you have to do to enter the giveaway is, of course, subscribe to my YouTube channel if you have not already. Follow me on my Instagram and TikTok. Everything will be linked down below. And lastly, go watch my clip-ins video. Give it a like while you're over there. And comment down below on that video who or what inspired you to get Microlocs, or just why you want Microlocs, or tell me about a goal that you're really excited to accomplish in 2026. Now don't forget to comment under that video and not this one because I'm probably going to delete this after the giveaway, which ends on Sunday, February 1st. The winners of the giveaway are going to be announced on all socials on Friday, February 6th, and I'm going to be reaching out to the winners personally so that there's no weirdness and no scamminess, so y'all look out for that. Thank y'all so much for being here. All y'all's love and support means the world to me. Now let's have a really good 2026. Bye!